Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today we are going to be doing a yellow French tip using our Go Bananas gel polish and our Oopsie Daisies nail art stickers. After completing your nail prep, apply a thin coat of clear rubber base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of clear builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, making sure it does not touch the skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has bulked the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply 1 to 2 thin coats of French Kiss, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. Wipe your nail with nail polish remover. Using your French nail tip guides and your nail art tweezers, carefully peel one off and apply it below the tip of your nail. Make sure to press your French nail tip guide down to avoid your gel polish bleeding through. Using Go Bananas and your gel polish brush, paint a thin coat along the tip of your nail and cap the free edge. Before curing, carefully pull away the French nail tip guide. Using your thin nail art brush, tidy your French tip where is needed. Cure for 30 seconds. Using your nail art tweezers, carefully bend your Oopsie Daisies sticker sheet and gently pull off your desired sticker. Place the sticker along your French tip and use your silicone tool to rub into place. If you have room, you can repeat this step. Make sure you are happy before you apply your sticker, as you won't be able to remove it. Apply a thin coat of rubber top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. Thanks for watching.